Alright guys, got the fire going behind us. Today we're gonna see what this thing can do, and I'm gonna show you how I use it. This isn't a how-to, but Mechmaxx, about 1,500 bucks right now after taxes. Alright guys, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to raise the attachment to where this is pretty level. Alright, so when you have this raised up to where that's level, you want to pick these legs up so they don't get in the way. And then you're going to want to take these two pins out. So the reason you take these two pins out is if this gets caught up, it doesn't raise with those pins, so there's no play, so it can get in a bind. So that's the reason why you take these two pins out, and the reason why we want this level is because it makes it easier to take these pins out. You can see this one is free, and this one will be the only one that you gotta mess with. Once we got all the pins out and we got the feet picked up, time to turn this thing on. How she left it. You want to start from right and work your way left. That's just what the manual says, and that's what works pretty good. This thing can probably go about 8 inches to a foot deep, but that's not growing back, so it should be fine.